Hello guys, this is your girl Sachi and welcome to another episode of Unboxing. Hello guys, welcome back. It's been a while since we have this sit-down video. So I'm so glad and happy na nag-create ako ng another content for you guys. And I'm super duper actually kilig at this time because I will be sharing with you, I will be opening the box for my first ever Labubu sit-down version 2. So I have the first ever Labubu that I do have is actually the version 1. I was not able to share it with you because I haven't uploaded for quite some time now, but soon I will be uploading my first ever Labubu with you. So for today, eto na nga, I will be sharing with you and I'm so excited guys. This is the Have a Seat. This is the version 2 of Labubu. I'm so kilig. So let's go and open it guys. Dumating to siguro a couple of days ago already and nakakatuwa lang and nakaka-excite. I don't know why it's so hyped this time and it's kind of expensive when you purchase it online. So kung ako sa inyo, I'd rather go and visit the nearest fully book in your area kasi mas mura if you go there directly to the store. Yun nga lang, it's really expensive. Oh my god! Or it's really, hindi siya, most often wala siya. Ano ba yan? Nawawala ako. Hindi na ako sanay mag-vlog. But yeah guys, if you go to a fully book, ang hirap niyang hagilapin kasi madalas out of stock siya. But for now, I was so proud. Sana si Dada yung makuha ko. So, hindi natin alam kung ano to because this is parang a secret, you know, a secret yung inside niya. So, let's open it. Na-open ko na yung box. Oh my god, look at it. Have a Seat version. This is the version 2 of Labubu. So, yung gusto ko si Dada. So, I'll show you how Dada looks like. Hindi ko na-ingatan yung box. Nasira. Siya yung pink. Dada. Ayan. Yan si Dada. Ayan. Ang cute niya, diba? So, I super duper love that. So, let's share it with you. And, ang nasa loob niya ay it's Cuckoo. So, tingnan natin kung tama. Perfect yung dalawa. Excited. Excited ko guys. Hindi hirap mabuksan. Ayun. Oh my god! Ang nice niya. It's blue. So, yan. Oh my god, ang cute. So, pag original siya, nagagalaw yung mga kamay. So, siya si Cuckoo. I guess it's Cuckoo. Yeah, it's Cuckoo. Ito siya. The blue-green. It's okay. So, di man natin nakuha si Dada, but yeah, at least, I super love it as well. Ang cute. I love the eyes. Very expressive. Nice. So, there you have it guys. I hope na-enjoy niyo yung pagbubukas natin ng first ever version 2 na Labubu. And yeah, if you enjoy or like this video, please give me a thumbs up. See you next time guys. Bye!